she's asking me if I'm okay.
Oh, are you sure?
Because I dropped my phone, she's asking me if I'm okay. Guys, do you remember the little incident with the monkey?
A monkey came over and stole my bag, which had the car key in. I have no food on me. And my bag is gone. That bag already had my spare clip-ons in, got no prescription sunglasses. I mean, really, what did the monkey want with it? There was no food in there. What a waste.
Yes.
There was no monkey.
Yes, there were monkeys.
You're right. There she is. There she is. The monkey.
Steal your phone, shy. The monkey stole from us.
So I found the key in the bag. I found the key in the bag. After paying. What did my guy do? He fully ripped the door off, didn't he?
Are you taking the video?
Yeah, I've just never seen this before.
Oh yeah, he broke into the car, silenced the alarm, took the door panel off, took the lock out of the hole, made a new key from the mould of the lock, put it all back together again, and then because he'd broken into the car and silenced the alarm, he had to reprogram the little chip thing that goes in the key. It took him forever to do this. The key was literally on me the entire time. The entire time. The good thing, let's just clarify the good thing.
You saw a rare monkey.
Got my sunglasses back,
Oh, God.
and I saw a rare monkey, which I have no video footage of because I don't.
This is what I've got to deal with. Whenever you see shaky footage,
Be grateful that you got the footage at all.
right, we're off to the what is it called? Oriental
Sky.
Village, where there is a lot of things that start with the word sky.
Sky Bridge, SkyDome, Sky Rex, Sky Museum. And the Skyland Petland.
A lot of sky. Langkawi's Oriental Village is touristy, which isn't our usual go-to, but we heard of the incredible views.
When you book online, you want to go to this counter over here.
If you book in person, this is the prices, and here's what could happen.
Do you want me to call someone for you? What's going on?
For information, SkyDome closed because rain. Okay.
Will it be open today at all?
If the weather okay, we open back.
Okay.
We'll buy now.
We'll buy later.
Okay.
Okay.
It wasn't the only thing not on today, so do check in advance. Thankfully, we managed to book tickets, but would the weather hold up?
Let's go. Now it's time for the SkyCab.
By luck, we ran into the guys who saved us in our previous vlog. If you haven't already, give it a watch. And while you're at it, subscribe would you please?
Huh?
That's the glass bottle.
I kind of wanted.
And then just left it empty.
Of course, you have to pay extra for it.
The glass part was a glass floor, which is probably cool, but I didn't think Bea would be able to cope.
Don't have to panic, Bea. Should I jump out?
Here you go. Poses.
Ready for it to speed up? Here we go. What does this remind you of, Mitt? Shocking. Right, so when I proposed to Mitzi, it was in one of these sky carts. It was in London, but now we're out here in Malaysia. Look how far we've come. Happily married.
Nearly 5 years.
Oh, what is
Look at the sea, guys. Look behind us.
Wow. See all the mountains. That waterfall looks amazing.
I can slide down there.
That's a big drop, Elijah. We've been to that waterfall.
What happened at that waterfall, Mitt?
Where I broke my phone.
Okay, that's just the broken phone waterfall.
I feel like you're taking the mick out of me, which isn't very nice.
Booty. There it goes. Boom.
That's the 7 well waterfall.
Oh my god.
Oh, what was that?
This fell out.
Mummy, can you come down there? You're there.
Who needs a drone when you can just come up here?
Wait, what is that thing?
It's cream for this absolutely ginormous bite on my leg.
Clouds began to roll in, but it actually was an awesome, surreal experience.
Wow.
Okay, we'll start heading back. It's getting pretty windy.
So we're just going over the Sky Bridge. I'm actually on my handies. And we are literally in a cloud.
They make it with their bow.
They what?
They made it with their bow.
Oh gosh. Look on the ground.
On that little rock bit here, there.
Okay.
At the edge of the rock.
I see it.
How cool is that?
I reckon that's one of the flying ones.
No, it's not. It's just fat.
Please do not tease or feed the monkeys.
There he is. We made it. There is too many stairs in this place, and they're steep as hell. There's a Sky Bistro. We're just about to go see what it's like. But it's gonna be expensive, but we can see we can eat this height. Let's have a go. See if they have anything vegetarian as well.
Some alright options. Food ordered, and now we wait.
Timer, running my timer. Timer.
Oh, nice sharing there. Looks like you've got 2 arms, mate.
I've got 2 arms.
Oh yeah. So you got 4. Look at this. It's Ganesh hands. Keep your head super still. Okay? Now down. That's not gonna work.
Can you sit back, please?
Whoa. Ah, this is scary. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at that. Look. Oh, look over there.
The waterfall! The waterfall! Why is it all going so fast?
They just look like they're going fast.
It's going slow.
Like they're going the same speed as us.
That's Paradise 101.
Oh, I like that. But Dad, did you remember when we were watching that video? With, like, your
Yeah.
But is it like that?
Yeah. That's it there. That's where they went.
There.
Mhm.
Amazing. I can't leave it in this mummy.
Oh, I'm so glad we got it clear.
Wait, look. It's not even gone that far.
Look. We didn't see any of that when we were going up.
Look at that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. How do islands balance on the sea?
I actually don't know, and I've always wanted to know how the islands are just there.
Oh my god. That's the other one that we went to.
Imagine there wasn't a road.
That tree, that looks like something out of a safari.
Safari?
You see it?
Yeah. In that
Looks like something that
hole.
they tried to decorate to make it look like a tree.
In my hole.
Oh my god, look at the condition of that ostrich. That is not okay.
Baby horses.
They're donkeys.
Oh.
Take it in. Wow.
I have to say, that was definitely well worth it.
You think?
Yeah.
Nah.
Live to do our meditating there.
and pop up. Do you want to try and see if you can get all the way through before it wets you?
No.
Wait. Go. Gotta be quick, you gotta be quick. Ah! Hey! The monkey, finally. Look at the white eyes.
You can only find those monkeys in this country.
Look at it sticking its foot out. Oh my god. What?
Is that another one there?
Yeah. Oh, this is amazing. Don't go. Amazing.
You happy then?
Oh my god. After the monkeys, we did some monkeying around of our own. There is loads to do with kids here. Seeing rare monkeys in a tourist place was just incredible. You know I love monkeys. Time to explore the rest, as they have several different attractions and mini play areas, if we can find them. So after much searching, we found the entrance to the SkyDome, which is here. It's the big red thing, and it looks empty. What is it? Pregnant mothers, senior citizens, people with heart conditions don't go on it. Oh, we're all good. Let's go.
Whoa!
Stuck in the sea.
Don't lean backwards. Planet. It's a different planet.
The SkyDome was a trip, and as some may know, Mitzi often gets car sick, so it literally became her worst nightmare. The things you do for your kids, eh? I doubt it was helping much either. But she put a ring on it, no takesies backsies. You got my crazy self for life. What animal is that, guys? What type of turtle? Let's see if you remember that. Never do. Wow, I'll have to look through the vlogs and find out again. Back in Bali, we learnt about turtles, even freed some. So I think it's a green sea turtle, is that right?
That one looks like that one. And that one looks like
In the sea? Soon.
It's cool though, isn't it? No, we're in a 3D museum. Where apparently you have to take your shoes off. He's a famous artist called Salvador Dali. And he painted his dreams.
So it says, motion optical illusion. When you move your eyes across this image or slowly shake the image, the checkered spheres will appear to move.
It does.
Yeah. Have a look at this one. Does it look like it's going like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like push it out.
It's the way it's been drawn.
Look at this one. Is that table, are you looking at the top of the table or underneath the table?
Underneath.
You
Then
sure?
how's this here? And how's this sitting on the top if it's underneath?
What's that, Elijah? For apple. Whoa. Elijah, come out the way, please. Thank you.
I'm a mermaid.
Are you a mermaid?
You look like you're going in the water.
Jump on the board quickly.
And now jump up and balance. Whoa. Sit together.
Salty.
Point up.
Now we're going to go see a show. Oh my god.
background.
Oh, when did the show gonna start, Mummy?
Do you like it, guys?
Was that good?
No! Scary.
How do you find it, mate?
It was amazing.
Where to next? Oh my god.
Yeah, we are gonna go. Which one do you want?
Ice cream.
You would like an ice cream. Are you sure, Elijah?
Yes. I'll
Okay.
make the orange one.
No, you will not. That is a horrible flavour. Can we get 1 scoop of the mint choc chip, please?
Comment below if you could stomach a durian ice cream. Time to go. In next week's vlog, we are going to the beach, but not any beach. This is the... I won't spoil the surprise. Left.
I hope you like our video. Bye! We have to move on, you know. You should comment about our family. So,